Dear students, today we will be using modules and we will create two new modules, and these two modules we will call in another program. There is one another example I am going to tell you today of modules, that how to create modules and how to call them in the program. Write a menu driven program in Python that calculates the following: area of circle, circumference of a circle, area of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle. First, we will create a module called circlemodule.py, and in this program we will write the program import math def area, radius will be passed as argument, and return math.py radius into 2. This will return the area of circle, and another function is created for circumference of circle def circumference, radius is passed as an argument, return 2 into math.py into radius. So this is one module which we have created for circle. Then we will create another module called rectangle module.py, and in this module we will have two functions: one def area width comma length, return width into length; another function perimeter def perimeter width comma length, return 2 into width plus length. This is the program in which we will use rectangle area and rectangle perimeter. So we have created two modules, one is circle module and one is rectangle module, and in circle module we have created area of circle and circumference of circle, and in rectangle module we have created two functions, that is area of rectangle and perimeter of rectangle. So these are the two different modules we have created. Now we will call these two modules in a one program. The main program is creating a main program.py, and in this main program we will call these two modules, circle module and rectangle module. This is a menu driven program in which we have created a menu. First, the menu will be printed area of circle, circumference of circle, area of circle, and perimeter of circle, and fifth choice is quit. User will opt any one option from this, and user will input the choice. If the choice is 1, then circle module is called. See here, if choice double equal to 1, radius equal to int input, enter the circle radius. Print the area is circle module dot area radius. Here both the two modules are imported here. Import circle module, import rectangle module. So we can call these functions from the module in our program. Then we have used if elif statement for the choice. Then if user has input the choice 2, then circumference of circle will be calculated using circle module. Then if choice equal to 3, then rectangle module is called and area of rectangle is calculated. And if choice equal to 4, then we have created perimeter of a rectangle, and rectangle module is called here. If choice is 5, then it will print exiting the program. Otherwise, if any one choice is entered apart from 1 to 5, then it will print error invalid selection. So it is a very big program, students. You have to type these three programs, means there are three different programs, two modules and one is main program, and in main program we have called these two modules using import statements. So students, run this program. Thank you.